Hello, 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 hello. Where are you going?
Oh, I'm meeting my friends in the city watching the ball drop.
The what?
Yeah, the ball drop.
As a man, that is what you had in your plans? To look up in the sky and watch a big ball dropping? Close the door. Close the door. Come back in the house. Close the door. Close the door. That is really what you want to do with your night? Your New Year's Eve? Taking in the new year, looking at a big ball and drop? Fire for that! As a man, you should be ashamed of yourself to even get the motivation and interest to watch a big ball and drop. Where you want to look upon ball and drop for? Eh? You want to look upon it in the sky and watch a ball, be fascinated with a ball dropping? For what? Take your backside to watch.